All right, find the measures of angle PMN and angle NMR if MN, ray MN, bisects angle PMR. Draw a sketch, it says. That's a great idea because if you don't draw a sketch, it's just like, why aren't you just visualizing it, okay? Um, so angle PMR, which they're telling you measures 136 up here. So I want to make it an obtuse angle just to get it somewhat reasonably what we're talking about. And we're talking about P, M, vertex point, and R. And then we've got ray, M, N, bisecting it, meaning this is congruent to this. Okay? So find the measures of each angle. They're saying PMN, this left-hand angle here, and NMR, if it's bisected and the measure of this is 136. Well, there's not a lot that we need to do here. We know that since these are equal parts and the whole thing is 136, then we can say, oh, well, if the whole thing measures 136 and each of these smaller angles is half of it, let's divide that by 2. Okay? And what we get is 68 degrees. And that's just the answer for each one of them. Find the measures of each of them. Well, they each measure that. So we can say 68 degrees and 68 degrees because 68 and 68, they're the same angle. Remember, they're equivalent in measure. And 68 plus 68 equals 136, which is what they told us that it measures. Okay?